हाँ गति शुरू करो।
Hello everyone, my name is Gati and I am the student of Rambad English Online Interactive Classes B1. As we all know that today's our topic is about computer. We all know about computer very well. It is used in every field, and in present time it has become the means of many types of employment, and in every field it is used. It was invented by Charles Babbage, and we can calculate numbers on it. We can play games. We can say, we can listen songs, and we can take print out from it. And it is very useful thing in present time. There are many softwares on it by which we can increase our knowledge, and by which we can write letters, and we can manage our data. And like in MS Word we can write letter, and in MS Excel we can manage our data. And there it is very useful. And in present time most of the industry is are dependent on it. And engineering work, software engineering is for software engineering it is very important. In present time computer has become very popular and essential thing for everyone, and everyone should have knowledge about it, because in future many things are dependent on it, will dependent on it. And in our new education policy, the coding system will be applied, and the students will be taught coding. So it is very important, and we can do calculation very easily on it. So it is very important for us, and that's it.
Okay, good speaking, very nice speaking.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, come on now, Nisha.
Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from V6. Today I am telling about the use of computer. The present age is the age of science. Science has changed our life because science has given many useful gifts. Computer is one of them. It is very useful to people in present and future age. Once time science made the computer, but today computer has maintained all the work of science. We can get information of the world by the computer. Today we have reached the moon by the computer. It is very useful in medicals because nowadays operations are also done by computer, and it is very useful in education field because the teachers of schools and colleges are using the computer. They can collect their information in computer, and they can print test paper, and they can get number of every student by the computer. And it is very useful to students because they can get knowledge of their study, and they can take online classes by it. And it is very useful to business because businessmen can get information to their business, and they can take their business by it. It is very useful to people because they can get information and knowledge of the world, and they can get anything by the computer. It is also harmful in many ways because some people hack the mobile phone, laptop and computer of other people by the computer, and they can get information and money of other people by the computer. and some people scam 50 to 60 crores from the banks via the computer, so it should be used from in right way. That's it.
Okay, very good. Nisha, keep yourself in practice.
Yes, sir.
Have a habit of listening and reading
Okay, sir.
so that you can
Good evening,
enhance your
sir.
fluency. Okay. यस कम ऑन प्रियंका, मेरे पास जब लास्ट नाम नहीं रहेगा मैं क्लास बंद कर दूंगा, ध्यान रख लेना आप।
Good
मेरे
evening,
पास
sir.
गुड इवनिंग, जब लास्ट नाम नहीं रहेगा, लास्ट नाम बोलते बोलते अगर नाम मेरे पास में नहीं आया मैं क्लास उसी समय खत्म कर दूंगा। अच्छी तरह से
Sir,
ध्यान कर
topic
लेना
क्या
इस
है?
बात, टॉपिक है कंप्यूटर का। यस प्रियंका कम।
Okay, sir. Hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma. Today I want to tell you about computer. Computer is a electronic device. There is many tasks in it like messaging, calculation, data storage, printing, etc. Um, it is so useful for all of us. These days computers are used anywhere like homes, schools, college, office, shops, etc. Mm, um, uh, it it can be used to do any kind of work, and it provides faculty of many other tools like
facilities
facilities of many tools like print tool, text tool, etc., which are very beneficial to us. And computer is so fast, and um, so fast. And a primary computer consistent of a mouse, monitor, keyboard, and a CPU, etc. So this is so important. It is so important for all of students, and we can uh, we can we can do RSCIT course without it, so it is so useful. That's all, sir.
प्रैक्टिस में रहो प्रियंका।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, है ना, बहुत जरूरी है। रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस इज नेसेसरी फॉर फ्लुएंसी,
Yes, sir.
because today I gave you very simple topic. I think there can't be so simple topic. This is the computer age. Yes, okay,
Yes,
Karina.
sir.
Yes, sir. Hello, my name is Karina.
Your voice is not clear, Karina.
A computer is widely used device. Almost every family has a computer. It can perform various functions and make our life easier. A computer are an essential part of our life, whether it is a school, college, or office work. Most of it completed by a computer help. It has 4 essential parts: monitor, keyboard, CPU, and a mouse. They are the hardware of the computer system. The monitor is like the TV, from where we can see the movies and hear the songs. The mouse is used to click the icon on the monitor, and the CPU is the brain of the computer. A computer makes our lives easier. It has features like the paint tool, which can be used to draw or paint anything. Music player and window media player can be used to play music and watch movies. And computer can also connected by the internet, from which we can see the online movies and the videos. Computers are widely used in the industries, government offices, government institutions, bank, etc. And It has also disadvantages of the computer. Hackers can hack and steal private information through viruses anytime. Using a computer makes us lazy very much because some people can't log their uh, private informations. That's all.
Okay. Yes. Divyanshi.
Hello friends, my name is Divyanshi and I am telling about the computer. Computer is very important for us. Computer science has given us many things in computer. One of them, computer like the window of the world by which we can see that what happening in the world. It has many things like games, movies, songs, calculator by which we can make make our life easy.
Mm.
Earlier, it's only used for the calculation, but nowadays it has many things.
Mm.
It it is used in many fields like banks, schools, offices. It has found in every house easily. We nowadays the corona is increasing a lot, so we can attend our classes by it, it by it the bankers can saw their money are safe or not. And businessmen can meet with everyone and they can saw their what is happening in their business. We can calculate our mathematics and we can saw our TV programs on it. We can play games. We can store our data and we can write any letter and email by it. But it has many disadvantages, like someone hack to everyone mobiles and computers, and some children watch it too much and their eyesights maybe become weak and they do not do their work and they become lazy. So we should use computer in right ways. That's it.
Good. Good. Very good. Yes. Now, Preeti.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Preeti Agarwal. Today our topic is computer. Computer is very important for us. There are many kinds of computers in market, but earlier there was only a large size computer which was a supercomputer which cannot be taken from one place to another place. But now we have different size of computers like we have laptop, we have uh, multi storage computer which is called m- which is called which is called multi computer. Sorry sir, ये भूल गई मैं. And we have palm top. We can now our phone is also a mini computer which can do the work like a computer, and we can do computer is used in many fields as computer is used in banks to store the data. So it has made the the use of paper very less. So we have no need to maintain the data on papers. So if we want to if we have forgotten any data, any paper at home, so we have no need to take the papers in offices because we have the soft copy in our computer.
Good.
So we have no worry to to show the presentation, and uh, in uh, in supermarkets it is used to make the bills, and um, in schools it is used for education, for giving classes and showing the videos to the students to understand the concept clearly, or more efficiently. And now we are many of the students are taking the online classes from the computer. And computer, yeah, computer helps us to make the many animations, and it we can crop any picture as per our requirement with the help of computer. It makes the calculations very fast. So if we do the calculation with physically, so it takes a lot of time, but we do uh, the calculations on computer, so it does the work very fast, very soon. And computer has many softwares which make our work very easier, as we have Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and we can make many presentations on by using PowerPoint. And we can make a data. We can make question papers by using MS Word. And if we have any kind of calculation work, then we can use it. We can do it with the help of MS Excel. So computer, we can watch videos, we can play games on computer. Now it has become the essential part of our life, because it is a also source of communication also. If we want to search anything, we can search on it. If we want to do video call, so we can do video calls on it, and we can talk to our relatives and our friends uh, in less time. That's it, sir.
Okay, nice speaking. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes. Mm, come on. Payal.
Yes, good evening, everyone. My name is Payal. Today, talking about computer. A computer is an electronic device which can perform many tasks like messaging, data storing, calculation, painting, etc. These computers are used everywhere, like homes, office, schools, hotels, railway stations, airports, um, a- um, l- the- shops, etc. Uh, I am uh, I am learning computer in my home, and I have learnt drawing and typing on my computer. Um, I like I like playing game on computer. Uh, computer is a computer is a computer is uh, computer is a very harmful device.
Also भी लगाओ.
Computer is a very harmful device.
Hmm.
Mm, सर कुछ सेकंड के लिए फ्यू लगा सकते हैं.
हाँ लगाओ ना.
We can do calculations in in few seconds. In few seconds.
In a little
They
time, in short time, in less time. कोई बात नहीं, in a few seconds भी आप बोल दो, चलेगा, बोलो.
there are three types of computers, like pocket computer, laptop, and personal computer. That's it, sir.
Okay. कोशिश अच्छी है. You are trying very nice. Keep it up.
Okay, sir.
प्रैक्टिस करते रहो. नेहा,
Yes,
आ जाओ.
sir.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. I am Neha Sharma, and I am the student of Ramban Live Interactive Classes. And I want to tell about computer. We all know that computer is a electronic device which is used in store our data. And computer has many parts like keyboard, monitor, CPU, and printer, laser, etc. CPU is the brain of computer, and there are many types of computer, mini computer, microcomputer, supercomputer, etc. Supercomputer is very costly and largest computer, and it is very fastest computer. And we all people should have basic knowledge of computer. It is used in every field. It is used in every field, like medical field, government, and engineering, etc. We should store our data in computer, and there are many local apps on computer, like YouTube, Chrome, Google, etc. And we use internet on computer, and many times we play games on computer. We should study there. Because Google is the search engine on Google is the search engine on here. And there are many benefits of computer. It increases productivity, and etc. There are many harmful effects of computer. If we sit long in the front of computer for a long time, it increases our weight, and it affects on our eyes. If we travel in other country and in other state, we can't take computer from one state to another state. That's it, sir.
Okay. वन स्टेट टू अनदर स्टेट का कोई ऐसी कोई कानून थोड़ी बना हुआ है.
सर लेकिन तो नहीं जा सकते सर, साथ में
वी कैन नॉट टेक इट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अदर प्लेस. बोलो ना. वन स्टेट का मतलब तो ऐसा हो जाएगा जैसे कि कोई अपराध हो जाएगा अगर हम कंप्यूटर को ले जाएंगे तो. इट सीम्स सो, है ना. ओके, वेरी गुड. यू आर डूइंग बेटर रादर देन अर्लियर स्पीकिंग्स. कीप इट अप. यस, कम ऑन दृश्य.
Hello everyone, I am Drashya Agarwal. I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes B8. Today I am going to tell you about computer. Now these days computer is a essential part of our life. It is now these days it is used all over the world. Many people use it for their benefits and good works, but as well as some people use it for bad works. Good works, like now these days computer is used very much because we can take online classes, we can teach by computer. We are taking these classes by some people are taking these classes by computer, which is very good. So we can see it very. It contains a very big screen, so we can understand everything clearly and easily. It students can study it. Students can study it by very easily because it contains calculators, so we can perform mathematical calculations. um, there are four types of computers: mini computer, palm top computer, mainframe computer, and supercomputer. Supercomputer is a very big and it is very costly. It is used in a very it is used at very less places, um, because it is very costly and we have to use so much big place to keep it. It is the fastest computer. Um, the computer bad works like hackers used to hack phones, computer, laptops, etc. so they can get money. It is a bad work because they don't do hard work and they get someone's money. That's it.
Okay. ठीक है. Yes, come on, Dilkhush.
Yes. Hello friends, my name is Dilkhush Muna. I am the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling about computer. Science has provided many gifts to us. Computer is also gift of science.
Your voice is not clear, Dilkhush. Your voice is not clear.
Science has provided many gifts to us. Science has provided many gifts to us. Computer is a gift of science. It is very useful for us to set our data in it. By it we can play games and take online classes. It is now used everywhere in the world. It has become global. We can get much knowledge and develop typing by it play at a very speed now in it become the part of our life. It is important.
Your voice is not clear. अब तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही. पता ही नहीं चला क्या बोला आज तो तुमने. हो गया वो तो मैंने सुन लिया पर परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं है आज तुम्हारी. ओके. यस, कम ऑन अर्शित.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am the student of Batch 8 Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is computer. As you all know that science has invented many inventions. Computer is one of them. It is like a window. By it we can watch all the news of entire world. And there are three types of computer: laptop, personal computer, and supercomputer. Supercomputer is very large and it is very costly. And we can take laptop from one place to another place, but we can't take computer and supercomputer from one place to another place because it is very large and it can be taken in the vehicles only, not in hand. For using the computer, we should need of mouse, keyboard, and CPU because CPU is the brain of computer, and sometimes we don't use the data of computer, so it stores in computer. And if our data over, so the past data which was saved by us, it can be worked. So it is very good thing. There are many advantages and disadvantages of computer. Like by the computer, first of all, I am telling about advantages. Like nowadays, Corona is going on, so there are many ways. Like students can take online classes and doctors can watch patient by the computer. Computer, the mini mobile is also like a mini computer, and the creator of computer was Charles Babbage. That's all, sir.
Okay. अच्छा बोले आज तुमने. Very good. Nice speaking.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, come on, Suhani.
Hello everyone, my name is Suhani and I am the student of Raman Interactive Classes B8. Today I tell you about computer. Computer is very useful for us, and present time is Corona is still on, so we can use it. We can take classes on it, and it used in many fields like bank. In bank we can save in customer bank data, and bank data, schools, the bank, schools, hospital, and many ways to and many fields it been used. We can use in study also, and present time is Corona still on, so we can take our online classes on it. And doctors use also, doctors treat patient on it. But computer has many bad things. The computer has big screen, so it is very harmful for our eyes. And some people watching series and serial on it of a long time, so their eyes is weak earlier. And it has many bad things on it, but computer is very useful also. This is very useful for us. That's all, sir.
Okay. कोशिश अच्छी की है तुमने, और ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा. Yes, come on, Priya.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Priya Mina, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is computer. As we all know very well that computer is an electronic device. It has made our life easier. We can do lot of many things of work in computer. We can get any information of the world from computer. Nowadays, computer has become an important part of our life. It is used in every field of our life. If we talk about it in the field of medical, so it is used for the sonography, ultrasonography, and it can find many diseases which are in our body. If we talk about it in the field of education, so it is used for the teaching to student. By it students can teach easily. They can read their things on the computer. It's also useful for that student who are preparing the science. There are also many ways where computer is used, like in banks, shops, airport, mall, railway station, etc. We can play games on the computer and also can listen and many songs, news, etc. We can do our business work at home by it at home. So in present time, its used has increased. So now it has become a part of our life. We can't live without it. That's it.
Nice efforts. Keep it up. Yes, Simran. Simran, are you present? Okay. Yes, come on. Vinay.
Yes,
Vinay.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Computer is a man-made machine, and it is an electronic device. By them we can use lots of work. It was invented by Charles Babbage, and it is so useful thing for us. And nowadays we use computer in every field. We can do anything on computer in less time, and it is used in every field. In present time, computer has become essential part of our life. Computer has has many parts, and we have lots of types of computer to do different work. And from when we have started the use of computer till now, तब से जब से हमने शुरू किया है तब से till now, our work has become easier, and we can entertain us by using of computer, and it is also the means of communication. And as we know, science has given lots of gift, and computer is one of them. And computer is the most important invention of science. Second important, first is electricity.
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 Okay.
Electricity.
Electricity. Okay. And computer is thing that is used in every field, and we have no need to mention the data on paper. We can do it on computer. Computer do work in less time and correct. Computer never make mistakes, and the use of computer is increasing day by day. We cannot remember all the things, but if we put all the things in computer and feed by the data, and it is safe. The computer, it has a lot of memory, lots RAM. It has a RAM of which has lots of memories, so we can keep them number of our important things by data. We can make a question paper on it, and we use computer in banks. In earlier time, it is very difficult to maintain the accounts. Actually, it is done only papers, so it is very difficult. But now computer has made it easy, and as I told, it is also means of communication also. We can use we can use it in every field. It helps us, and it is used in government offices and private also, and it is a subject also. Many students take as a subject and make their career in it.
Yes.
That's it, sir.
Okay.
That's it.
Nice efforts. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
सिमरन आ गई क्या? सिमरन, चलो पूर्णिमा तुम बोलो. Is Purnima present?
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on.
हाँ.
टाइम लग रहा है तो किसी और को बुलवाएं?
हाँ जी सर.
चलो बोलो, फटाफट बोलो.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today's topic is computer. Computer is an electronical device. It's a very useful and a very beautiful invention of science. In present time, mostly things are not possible without use of it. Because in every field, it plays a very important role. It has a lots of data storage capacity. Nowadays, with the help of computer, we can do anything, anywhere in short time. It helps us in correction of correction of copies, and made and made the and made papers. It is not it looks very hard when when someone is not knew about that. But when we start using this device, it's very easy for everyone. We can do anything with the help of this device. As we can see, as we can see in government offices, no table is
Without computer.
no table is, you can say, without computer. Because somewhere clerical staff use it's in a very simple work, and somewhere they use it in very high level work. Even from last few years, we can see computer in each and every work. Because every work because everything everything has online nowadays. So with the use of computer, online work is become very easier. Or in the other hand, we can say that due to computer, online work is possible. Without computer, without using computer, and without this device, we can't imagine that online work is ever possible. So computer is a very useful, and now this time I have not so enough words to describe this uses. So in short, I completed my words.
Good efforts. Keep it
Thank
up,
you, sir.
पूर्णिमा. कोशिश करते रहो. हाँ, मिस्टेक्स तो
Mistakes
होंगी,
काफी?
मिस्टेक्स तो होती हैं. We can't speak without errors.
नहीं
It
सर,
is a
जैसे
natural
सिली
thing.
मिस्टेक
हाँ,
आती
है
है,
कुछ
उस
है,
तरह
पर
की
वो
है क्या?
हाँ वो है, बिल्कुल है भी, पर वो अभी मैं उनको अपन बाद में क्लास में बात करेंगे. जब अपन अभी
जी
मैं
जी.
बीच में अभी अगर आपको यहाँ पे डिस्टर्ब करूंगा ना, तो आप लोग फ्लो नहीं आ पाएगा.
ओके ओके
If
ओके सर.
if I start to make you correct now, this time
क्या?
in between you are
यस सर.
speaking, then you can't speak.
ओके
So
ओके
वो
सर.
मैं जब वहां पर आपकी क्लासेस शुरू होंगी ना, अपनी अभी 7 बजे वाले बैच में,
जी सर.
in that batch, then I will make you all correct that time.
ओके
है
ओके
ना?
सर.
Yes. Okay.
ओके
No
सर.
problem.
थैंक यू
अब सुनना जरा इसको. After
जी सर.
getting your recording, listen to it carefully, and then you will observe your mistakes
ओके
naturally.
सर. ओके सर.
Yes, Simran. Simran. Okay, come on. Astha.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Astha.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Your voice is not clear. In...
Hello, everyone. My name is Astha from Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today I telling you about computer. Computer is very useful for us. Computer have many parts like mouse, CPU, UPS, etc. We listen music on computer.
CPU is very useful part of computer because because CPU is the brain of computer. Computer has two main part, software and hardware.
Hardware, software.
Yes, sir. Software and hardware. Software parts are like Chrome, Gmail, Chrome, starting window, etc. And hardware parts are mouse, speakers, printer, keyboard, monitor, etc. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. There are many folders in it of movies, music, study materials, etc. Most of the people have computers. Computers are also used in hotels, medical shops, hospital and offices, etc.
Yes, carry on.
The computer is an electronic machine. We purchase many things in computer.
In computer, नहीं, by computer, using computer.
Okay, by computer.
Using computer, yeah, with the help of computer. Yes.
Okay. We purchase many things by computer on Flipkart. We also take online classes on it. So that's it.
Okay. कोई बात नहीं, कोशिश करो. अभी तो आपका तो it is your beginning. It is just your beginning. कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा. Sonam.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. I am Sonam Meena. I am talking about computer. As you all know that science has given us many things. Computer is one of them. Computer is very beneficial for us, by which we can calculate very easily, by which we can get information everywhere. By the computer we can save our data. It is very useful for medical field. It is very useful for education field because teacher check student marks easily, by which student take online class. Through this they can study from home. There are many types uses of computer. We can study, by which we can save our photo, video and documents. Through this we can also talk on video call, by which we can marketing. There are many types computer: supercomputer, mainframe computer, survey computer, workstation computer, personal computer, etc. Computer has made our life easy and simple. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, etc. are the part of computer. In banks, computer play important role to keep record. The police use computer to keep the record of criminals. Road traffic is also controlled by the computer. Computers are also used for listening music, watching movies, playing games, video editing, etc. The computer is used in schools, hospitals, office, college, business, banks, institutes, and other public private sectors of all countries. That's it, sir.
Very good. Okay. Yes, Anjali.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali. Today's my topic, computer. Science has given many things. Computer is one of them. Computer is very important in our life. Present age is the computer age. Computer is a electronic device which are very important in human life. We can fill the online form with the help of computer.
Good.
We can save our photos and videos and our documents. Computer used in every field like hospital, college, schools, shops, etc. We can watch movie and listening song in computer. We can study from computer
With the help of computer.
with the help of computer. Present
बोलो.
That's it, sir.
ओके, कोशिश तो बहुत अच्छी कर रहे हो, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा. अशफाक. अशफाक.
Sir.
बोलो.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishfaq Khan. Today I am telling you about computer, use of computer. Computer is very important part in our life. We can do all works by it easily. We can listen songs by it. We can play games by it, and a computer is very necessary for us. I think we can't live without a computer. We can get information of worldwide. In these days, computer is very important for students because by it they can take online classes. Its use is very simple, so everyone can use it easily. And by it we can write letters to each other. Computer has many parts like mouse, keyboard, monitor, and etc. We can save our picture, videos, and other important documents by it. And I think computer is very useful for us. So that's it, sir.
Nice efforts. Keep it up, Ashfaq.
Okay,
very
sir.
good. Yes, come on, Vansh.
Hello friends, my name is Vansh Sharma from B8. I am telling about computer. There are many apps in computer like YouTube, Google browser, etc. We can see movies in computer. There are many types of computer. Computer, laptop, supercomputer, etc. Mini computer, etc. There are many shopping apps in computer like Flipkart, etc. We watch movies in computer. We watch news in computer. Students take online classes of computer by computer. It is very useful for students. Many students take online classes by it. I think I think I think I think that it is so very useful for us. That's it.
ओके, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की आज तुमने, वेरी गुड.
Thank you, sir.
ओके, यस, कम ऑन मोना.
Hello everyone. Today my topic is computer. But the age is science age is a gift of science. Computer is an electronic device. Computer increase our knowledge.
घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल भी बोलो आराम से. हाँ,
computer is used in shops, hospitals, schools, etc. We can play games. I like play games on it. Nowadays computer is being used.
your voice is not clear. Keep your mic near your mouth.
Computer has bad effect also. Some people watch music, movies, serials, etc. Computer is very important for us. That's it.
ओके, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है, करते रहो आप कोशिश, है ना. टाइम लगेगा लेकिन हो जाएगा आपका. टाइम तो लगता है. जिंदगी में कभी आपने एक सेंटेंस भी सोच के नहीं बोला होगा. अब आप कर रहे हो तो टाइम तो लगेगा, और कर रहे हो, लेकिन बस जब इतना हो रहा है तो आगे भी हो जाएगा, लेकिन टाइम लगेगा और मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, तमन्ना.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. I am Tamanna. Today I am going to tell about the use of computer. As we all know, we are living in the age of science. Science has provided many useful things. Computer is one of them. There are many types of computer like mini computer, supercomputer. It was created by Charles Babbage. It is very useful invention of science. It is an electronic device. There are many useful apps in it. Monitor, keyboard, CPU are the most important parts of the computer. With the help of it, we can send email to everyone and can get email from anyone.
Very good.
Its capacity to storage data is a lot of. In banks, it is used as a store to keep store data. In police stations, it is used to keep criminals' data.
Very good.
We can watch movie, listen songs in it. In present time, in educational field, we can We can watch our studies videos and can take online classes with the help of it. We can reservation and can book our tickets in few seconds with the help of computer. Candidates can fill their forms of many examinations with the help of computer. We can storage our photos, videos and other documents. Sometimes it happen that we can forget our data. With the help of computer, we can save our data in it, so we can find it easily. It uses is very easy. Everyone can use it. That's it, sir.
Very good. Very good. Yes, come on, Shri.
Hello everyone. Today our topic is computer. Science has given us so many gifts. Computer is very useful. Computer has CPU, mouse, keyboard, etc. Computer is very fast. CPU is mind of computer. Computer, we can make folder in it. We can store photos, videos, etc. in it. Computer is used so many fields like shops, schools, hospitals, etc. We can do our work in it. We can do office work in it easily.
अच्छा बोल रहे हो बेटा, कोशिश करो बेटा.
We can watch movies, song. We can listen songs in it. That's it.
Very good. Nice efforts. Yes, come on, Dilkhush.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Lucas Meena. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today, I am telling about computer. Science has provided many gifts to us. Computer is one of them. Computer is an electronic device. It is very useful for us. Now it is used everywhere in the world, like hospitals, schools, shops, railway stations, etc. It has become global. We can get much knowledge by it. We can take online classes by it. It can calculate at very high speed. Now many industries depend on it. We can collect our data in it. We can billing by it. We can listen news and songs by it. We can develop our typing skills by it. Now it is very necessary for us. We can manage our accounts by it. Now it has become the part of our life. Now we can't live without it. That's it.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, Simran. Simran.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Simran. I am from Ramban Interactive Classes.
Today I tell about the use of computer. A computer is an electronic device. It has the ability to store and process data. You can use a computer to send email and documents and playing games. You can use it editing your video and any photo. People use the computer at home to learning and watching movies, and computer are used in hospital to create the patient report. Doctor use the computer for research, and we use computer in school and college. In a classroom, student used computer to create many things. COVID-19 is going on, so most of the education things depend on computer, and students take their online classes on computer, and computer used in many fields like business and education, home, etc. That's it.
ओके, बात तो सबका आ गया, कोई रह गया? रुचिका नहीं है क्या आज? हर्षित, रुचिका नहीं है क्या?
नो सर.
ओके, और कोई रह गया हो तो बोलो. ओके, थैंक यू.